Hello, this is Elliot Schlissel. Today I'm going to talk about what do you do if Child Protective Services contacts you. To start with, ask the CPS investigator why they are investigating you. The investigator's job is to investigate and find instances of child abuse. In a court of law, you're innocent until proven guilty. With CPS, you are guilty until proven innocent. CPS caseworkers are often reluctant to tell you why they are calling upon you. Ask for a specific explanation as to what they are looking for. Do not accept a simple answer, example, child abuse or child neglect. These are conclusions, not allegations. You're entitled to know the specific allegations that have been brought against you. Be careful and take the investigation seriously. Our office's experience is that the majority of CPS complaints are unfounded. However, this does not mean that the parents who are accused of child abuse or child neglect should not take false allegations seriously. A CPS investigator takes the allegations against you seriously, even if they are absurd, unreasonable, and a bunch of nonsense. Remember, the investigator is going to presume you are guilty until you prove you're innocent. Be careful, because it is your children's lives you are dealing with. Do not agree to be interrogated without an attorney present. It is extremely important if you not agree to be interviewed by a CPS worker before consulting with a CPS defense lawyer. You may presume, since you are innocent and you have nothing to hide, that reasonable explanations will convince the CPS worker there is actually no child abuse or child neglect. Be advised that CPS investigators are not always reasonable. They assume where there's smoke, there's fire. CPS caseworkers' visit to your home may find evidence to support the allegations against you. Don't agree to be interrogated by CPS worker. They can twist your words. Our office's experience is that CPS investigators sometimes inaccurately present their communications with the families they interview. These inaccurate communications can pressure parents to appear guilty of child abuse or child neglect. If you are being investigated by a CPS or ACS, you must immediately consult an experienced CPS or ACS defense lawyer. Most lawyers are not familiar with the circumstances and methodology used by CPS and ACS investigations. They lack an attorney's knowledge of these proceedings can be to your detriment. When investigated by a CPS worker, do not act in a hostile manner. The investigators will presume you are acting hostile because you are guilty. This is Elliot Schlissel, CPS and ACS attorney, signing off.